Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Yugana M780 massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it's going to be in one large box. There are no tools required for this assembly, but for the purposes of opening the packaging, we are using a box cutter. With the help of a partner, lift the top cover and place aside, revealing the protective packaging underneath. Carefully remove and discard any wood or foam covering from the top of the massage chair. Now remove the two side foam pieces. Next, gently remove the plastic wrap covering the chair and set aside. On the seat of the chair, you'll find a plastic bag which contains the chair's power cable, mini screwdriver, spare fuse, quick start guide, the assembly guide, a user manual, and the warranty card. Set these aside for now and don't forget to register your warranty. Next, cut away the rear bottom corners of the cardboard tray. To move the chair off the bottom tray, we will need to recline the seat into a forward upright position. To do this, we must first turn the chair on. Use the power cord from the accessory bag and plug the chair in. There is a power cord port on the back of the chair next to the orange main power switch. Flip the main power switch off and then back to on. The light indicates that the chair is on. Using the remote, hit the red power button to turn it on. Once a yellow warning screen appears, this will indicate that the chair is turning on and automatically inclining into an upright position. Once the chair is fully upright, turn off the chair and unplug the power cable. Using your foot as a support, lean the chair backwards towards you to pick it up on the wheels built into the base. We advise you don't lean on the chair too far back. Make sure to leave some space between the tray and the back of the base of the chair. If you do encounter trouble or find this method too difficult, you can always get a friend and have them help you team lift the chair out of the tray. Now plug the power cord back in and turn the main power switch back on. Using the remote, run an auto program to ensure everything is working properly. With everything working, you are ready to enjoy your new Yugana M780 massage chair.